Welcome to 1422 Stoneridge Drive, a wonderful 3+2 bedroom home with 4 washrooms situated within the Auden Park neighbourhood of Southwest Kingston. The concrete floor of the covered front entrance has a gorgeous stone inlay and is a befitting welcome into a main level showcasing elegant principal rooms, a warm yet neutral decor, rounded corners throughout, as well as a multitude of windows allowing for an abundance of natural light. An elegant chandelier brightens the dining area, while light floods through a west-facing Palladian window in the living room, where a half wall with an oak ledge separates the foyer from these combined formal entertaining areas. These beautiful spaces also showcase the richness of hardwood flooring, which flows through the main hall and into the great room. Warmed by a gas fireplace having a tiled facade and an oak mantel, this exceptional entertaining space showcases 2 stories of arched windows surrounding the fireplace, while a cathedral ceiling enhances its grandeur. The great room is open to the level above, and for entertaining convenience, also has an openness with the adjacent kitchen and its breakfast area. A scrolled metal chandelier illuminates the breakfast area, with its ambient lighting complementing the warmth exuded by the kitchen. Showcasing traditional oak cabinetry with a rich finish and earth-tone tiled flooring, this beautiful culinary space also showcases granite counters and stone-tiled backsplashes, a double undermount sink, the modern sleekness of a stainless steel oven, built-in microwave and fridge with bottom mount freezer, as well as an L-shaped peninsula for added workspace, a ceiling fan, and a built-in dishwasher. With a transom to maximize natural light, the sliding door walkout opens onto a huge entertainer's deck with a wood gazebo and a pergola with a swing, while the yard itself, which is extremely low maintenance, also features a storage shed, garden beds, as well as stone and river rock landscaping. Off the great room is a side mudroom with tiled flooring, with this space having access to the garage, a secondary double coat closet, as well as a powder room with a furniture-style vanity. And other features of this home include a brick and stone front facade, a single-car garage with opener and remote, an upright freezer, as well as an updated roof and air conditioning. A hardwood column accents the hardwood railing of a carpeted staircase to the upper level, with another hardwood railing carried along the hallway where it is open to below. Carpeted throughout, and also having rounded corners, this level features a loft space, a laundry room, 3 bedrooms, and 2 washrooms, with the main 4-piece washroom having a tiled floor, a wood vanity with drop-in basin, as well as an acrylic bath and shower area with a soaker tub. The laundry room has vinyl flooring, a washer and a dryer, and just outside its door is a double linen closet that is also conveniently close to the main washroom. The second and third bedrooms both have double closets, with the second bedroom also featuring a ceiling fan as well as 3 windows on its west wall. And completing the common area of this level is the loft, which features a ceiling fan, an east-facing window, and a full wall of built-in oak shelves. The loft makes a lovely light-filled sitting area overlooking the family room, but has potential for conversion into a 4th bedroom if needed or desired. The graciously sized master suite features California shutters on its 2 west-facing windows, a ceiling fan, a walk-in closet, and its own personal linen closet. while its spa-like ensuite washroom showcases upgraded light fixtures, a tiled floor, a step-up soaker tub with tiled finishes, the window above it having California shutters and surrounded by a stacked stone accent wall, a vanity with countertop basins, as well as an acrylic corner shower area with glass enclosure. The entry door into this beautiful home is fully glass paneled and accented with a decorative wrought iron insert as well as side lights, and off the tiled foyer is the main double coat closet with mirrored doors. The French door opens to a tiled landing off the main hallway, where a carpeted staircase leads to a fully finished lower level with the coziness of Berber broadloom throughout, as well as oversized basement windows, rounded corners, and ample storage. Directly off the staircase is the recreation area, a very large living space that offers plenty of room for a family media area, working out, or for entertaining, while off the hallway is a very spacious bedroom with a double closet, a two-piece washroom with a tiled floor and a vanity with a countertop basin, as well as a bonus room finished with vinyl plank flooring and having a good-sized closet that is well suited as a bedroom or as a private home office. Nestled in a neighborhood with walking paths, a pond, and a fossil park, a short walk to a grocery store, and close to J.R. Henderson Public and Frontenac Secondary Schools, the Collins Bay Marina, the Landings Golf Course, as well as the waterfront trails and green spaces of the Lemoyne Point Conservation Area along Lake Ontario, the Cataraqui Centre and Riocan Centre shopping malls, post-secondary educational institutions, as well as access to Highway 401 are all just short drives away.